Unlock delicious savings on your next meal with Wolt credits. First things first, open your Wolt app and make sure you're logged into your account. This is where all your available credits will be tracked and ready to be used. To find your credits, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app. Then, look for a section labeled Credits or Wolt Credits and tap on it. Here, you'll see exactly how much credit you have available. Take a moment to note any expiration dates. You don't want these tasty savings to go to waste. Now, let's get ordering. Browse your favorite restaurants or discover something new and add the items you want to your cart. When you're ready to check out, you'll reach the order summary screen. Look for an option to apply your Wolt credits. This might be a checkbox, a toggle, or a field to enter a credit code if you have one. Simply tap or select the option to apply your available credits, and you'll see the discount immediately reflected in your order total. Amazing, right? Confirm your order and enjoy your delicious meal knowing you saved money thanks to your Wolt credits. Remember, credits can sometimes have specific terms and may not apply to delivery fees or certain restaurant promotions, so always check the details in your credits section. Happy ordering!